I'm going to show you how to enable Wi-Fi on a Windows server. So to start, I'm on the server that I want to enable the Wi-Fi for, and then in Server Manager, I'm going to come to Manage, then Add Roles and Features. We can then click Next through the wizard until we get to the Features section, and then if we scroll down to the bottom, there's an option for Wireless LAN service. We can then tick that, press Next, and then Install. Once the feature is installed, you can press Close, and then you'll have to restart the server, so I'll just do that now. Once the server is restarted and you've logged back in, within Server Manager, come to Tools, and then come down to Services. Within the Services Management console, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then you've got the WLAN Auto Config. You want to double click that, change the startup type and make sure it's automatic, and then start the Wireless LAN service. Now the Wireless LAN service has started, on the right hand side on the taskbar, you can select your network adapter, and then here it should show all of your wireless network that are available to be connected to. This server doesn't have a wireless network card, so I can't show you connecting to a wireless network, but if you follow these steps, your wireless network should appear. If for whatever reason they don't, if you click Network and Internet Settings, and then come to Change Adapter Settings, make sure your wireless network card is enabled, and you'll also want to make sure if you right click the Start menu and come to Device Manager, under Network Adapters, make sure your wireless network card is appearing and it has got the latest network drivers. So that's how to enable Wi-Fi networking on a Windows server.